Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good, and in this video I'm going to share you the landing process in Canada and also like how to do this COVID testing at home. I'm going to share everything in detail, so watch this video till end. Firstly, we landed safely in Canada. After that, there is kiosk. There we have to scan our passports or PR cards and then we'll get a receipt and we have to hand over this receipt to the immigration officer. After this, we have to stand in immigration line. They check our passports and they verified can arrive details in their system. And if you are fully vaccinated, they stick the green sticker on the passport which indicated that we are fully vaccinated and we are good to exit as exempted quarantine passenger. So me and my husband got this green sticker as we are fully vaccinated, and for our kids there is no green sticker because they are not fully vaccinated. This means that they have to undergo the COVID test. And here one more thing is, not all the passengers are exempted from this COVID test, and some of the passengers were selected randomly and they have to undergo this COVID test in the airport. So after this we collected our bags and submitted our kiosk receipt, and they checked our passports, and as kids did not have fully vaccinated and they did not have this green sticker on the passport, and they were asked to get tested, and we are directed to the testing center in airport. So which took us hardly 10 to 15 minutes. After the testing is done and we were about to leave from the airport, and they handed a couple of self-testing kits for our kids because they have done the day one landing test at the airport, right? So we have to do the other test on day 8 for our kids, and for that they have given a home testing kit. So we have to do by ourselves at home. And so after that we found later that whoever get tested on landing one, like they will also be tested on day 8. We received an email from Government of Canada regarding 14-day quarantine details, but we are a little bit confused regarding this email because we are fully vaccinated. So should we need to quarantine or not? So to confirm about this confusion, we called the customer care, and they told that if we are fully vaccinated there is no need to quarantine, but our kids are not fully vaccinated, right? So they should always stay with the fully vaccinated parents, and later we have to do the day 8 COVID test too. Now I'm going to show you the unboxing of this home test kit, and later I'm going to show you how to register in this Switch Health, and also I will show you the process of testing my kids at home. So watch this video till end. This is the Switch Health website, and here we have to register. If you register, you can log in directly, and if you're not registered, you have to register it now. So I'm going to show you how to register. So firstly it will ask have you entered Canada in the last 14 days. So we have to give our first name, middle name, last name, email, and confirm email. So this email is very important here because you'll get our test results to this email only. I am signing in now, and then after signing it will send a security code to our mobile. So we have to give the 6 digits security code, and after that we can see so here you can see the sum of the details, right? So that those details are the day 1 landing test results. We can see it here, And now we are going now we are going to do the day 8 test, right? So for that we have to do all this process now. After clicking continue, then we have to then it will ask like whoever is going to be tested now, so we have to check mark their names and then we have to click continue. And then here it is asking the serial number and the confirm serial number. So in the package you have seen one tube, right? So on that tube, like we have the serial number, so that serial number is very important. So here we have to give the serial number and the confirm serial number. We'll get connected to the call in the next step. And also you can see the complete process, like how I tested my kit. So you can watch this video.
Yeah, and then if I can just see for government ID as well, yes. It's good. Great. And do you want to do that? Yeah,
I'll just keep it loose, like I won't remove the cap completely, but I'll...
Okay. Okay, perfect. And when Hannah's ready, we can get her tested. What we're gonna do is this fuzzy part is gonna go on your nose, and we're gonna make little circles for 15 seconds. And when we're done, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. It'll be fast, okay? You're doing great. All right, so let's start. Yeah, when you're ready, let's start now.
Yeah.
Good job. Now count for you. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You work on this side. Now the other side. Good job, Hannah. Yeah. All right, let's start. So 15, 14. Okay, single cycle. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you are done. Good job. Put it bristles down first. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, great. Put that lid back on. Great. And you take that inside. Yeah. That was inside the box. If you can use that for just, yeah, similarly the flap that's open. And we're gonna, yeah, we should have a separate bag too, so we'll put her box down inside this bag. Okay.
Like getting seen, right?
Yeah, and then what's inside, you remove the silver sticker on the back and hold it down on the white part. Perfect. Perfect. And then your little alcohol swab, you can use that also now to clean the red parts of the bag. Just knock those here. Something else I want to make sure to do is purple under. Yeah, make sure to take a picture of your yellow sticker on each package.
Okay.
Okay, because you're going to notice underneath the second barcode, there's a PIN number. Do you see the PIN number there? So that's your package number. So if you need to track the packages, that's the number you need, okay? And what's going to happen next when I end up calling
We have to leave our packages at the specified time, like they have given you can see it on the screen, right? So on that time period, like we have to leave our baggages outside the door and the courier guy will come and collect it. Once our test results are ready, we'll get an email, and again we can log in back to the Switch Health and we can check our results. If this video helps you, please do share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.